Bismillah. Science, Primary 5, second term, Unit 3. Unit 3 includes two lessons. Lesson 1, Soil Components. Lesson 2, Types and Properties of Soil. Start from Lesson 1, Soil Components. Okay, let's soil components. Soils are different in 2 points. All types of soils are different in 2 points. Number 1, its color. Number 2, its texture. Number 1, the color of soil, which helps the scientists to identify the elements and mineral inside it. And number 2, texture of the soil, which is smooth or granular or rocky rough. Okay, soil, all types of soil are different in 2 points, the color and the texture. But what's the meaning by soil at first? Soil, we can define soil, it's a thin, non-compacted or loose superficial layer, يعني upper layer, which covers the Earth's crust. Again, what's the meaning by soil? We can define soil, it is a thin, non-compacted, means loose, superficial, like upper layer which covers the Earth's crust. In this lesson, we are going to study soil components, the importance of soil, soil erosion, and soil layers and living organisms. Number 1, soil component. Soil is made up of many components such as pieces of rocks, water, air, salt, and humus. In this activity, soil components, soil is composed of different components. Start from the top layer of the soil will be humus. Then particles of clay, means mud. Next water. Next salt. Next particles of sand. And the last layer will be gravel. Soil is composed of humus, water, sand, clay or mud, salt and gravel. The variation in types of soil depend on two type of rocks and minerals inside this soil. Number 2, rocks are the main source of sand, clay, gravel and mineral. الرocks هما main source of sand والclay والgravel and minerals. What is the meaning of humus? Humus, the top layer in the soil, we said it's called humus. What's the meaning by humus? Humus, it is the decayed remains of animals and plants. It is the decayed remains of animals and plants mixed with the soil components, and its color is dark brown or black. How is humus formed? When the living organisms, say plants or animals, die. When these living organisms die, their bodies decay. What's the meaning by decay? Decay like rot or breaking down. Formation humus. After they die, their bodies decayed, formation or forming humus. Humus adds nutrients to the soil, and humus affects the color of the soil because its color is dark brown or black. So, when asked, give reason the color of soil is dark brown. Give reason the color of soil is dark brown or black. هقوله due to the color of humus أو due to the color of humus which is a dark brown or black. Okay. The next topic, the importance of soil. What is the importance of soil? And soil is very important. It's one of the main components of the environment because it's very necessary for all the living organisms, plants, animals, and humans. Let's see its importance for plants. Number 1, the importance of soil for plants. Plants take minerals and other nutrients from the soil to live and grow. 4, the importance of soil for animals. Animals eat plants that previously depend on soil to grow. The importance of soil for other living organisms. In human other living organisms such as earthworms, spiders, and ants make their homes or shelter in soil. Make their dig tunnels inside the soil to make their homes. Last one, the importance of soil for humans. Humans eat plants and animals that previously depend on soil to grow. This is the importance of soil. The third topic is called soil erosion. What I mean by erosion? Like damage. Okay, soil erosion. Soil erosion or damage of the soil occurs as a result of breaking down of rocks by several factors, as running water, number two, winds, number three, changes of temperature. يبقى soil erosion occurs as a result of breaking down or because or due to breaking down of rocks by several factors like running water, winds, changes of temperature. Running water because running water or water breaks down rocks into small pieces causing soil erosion, and also winds breaks down rocks causing soil erosion, and the changes of temperature it breaks down rocks by time causing soil erosion. Next, soil layers and living organisms. There are three layers of soil. The soil is composed of three layers, which are top soil layer, lower soil layer, rocky layer. Number one, top soil layers. They contain roots of plants, leaves of plants, living organisms like earthworm, ants, and spider. Number D, humus. Number E, small pieces of rocks may be found. Number two, the second layer is called lower soil layers. They lay or beans or under, lay beans or under the the top soil layers. They don't have much humus. Number three, the third layer is called rocky layers. Rocky layers, the upper part of it contains pieces of rocks, while its lower part contains solid rocks. Okay, we will talking about just one layer. The first one, top soil layer. Top soil layer, we said, contains four components: roots of the soil, roots of plants, leaves of plants, earthworms, and some insects. And number four, ants and other insects. Okay, the first components, it's roots of plants. Roots of plants, they extend. Roots of plants in the soil or in the top soil layer. Roots of plants, they extend deeply in the top soil layer. What is the importance of roots for the plant? What is the importance of roots for the soil? Number one, what is the importance of roots of the plants for the plants? They take water and the nutrients from the soil. Number two, they fix the plants in the soil. Okay, but what is the importance of roots for the plants? They take water or absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Number two, it fix the plants in the soil. Okay, what is the importance of the roots for the soil? They help the soil to be cohesive. What's the meaning by cohesive? Cohesive means get connected together by a strong way. Number two, they prevent the soil erosion from happening quickly. They provide the soil with nutrients as they are converted into humus after this. Okay. Number two, leaves of plants. The second component, leaves of plants. They are parts of plants exist in the top soil layer, with leaves and the other parts of plants after the plant die. They will fall down to the soil, then they decay, forming humus. Number three, earthworms and some spiders. The soil is considered the shelter, like home for earthworms and some spiders because they making their homes underground by digging tunnels. What is the importance of this living organisms like earthworm and spider for the soil and the plants? They dig tunnel in the soil that allow the digging tunnel. While digging tunnels in the soil, they allow air, water, and nutrients to pass easily through the soil, then to the plant roots. Number four, the fourth components and ants and other insects. They dig tunnels in the soil to make nests and lay eggs. What is the importance of ants and insects for the soil? For the soil, when this is organisms or this living organism die, their bodies decay, forming humus. it's the lesson is end. Okay, remember, soil, it is a thin non-compacted. Definition of soil, it is a thin non-compacted or loose superficial upper, meaning upper layer, which covers the earth's crust. The soil is composed of components of soil, humus, water, sand, clay, salt, and gravel. Rocks are the main source of sand, clay, gravel, and minerals. Well, what's the meaning by humus? It is the decayed remains of animals and plants mixed with the soil components, and its color is dark brown or black. That makes the soil dark brown or black due to the presence of humus. Soil erosion, like damage or meaning damage, occurs due to the breaking down of rocks by some factors اللي هم running water, winds, and changes of temperature. Soil is composed of three layers, which are top soil layer, lower soil layers, and rocky layers. We talked about top soil layers and living and final living organisms that live in the soil, dig tunnels in the soil that allow air, water, and nutrients to pass easily through the soil. Thank you. Okay.